लगता है बर्फ पड़ने वाली है।
ओह, नमस्ते माँ जी। आप
तुझे क्या लगता है हम दोनों यहाँ पे वो ब्लैक ब्लैक खेल रहे हैं? हाँ?
नहीं, प्लीज बना दीजिए ना चाय।
शर्म, मैं अंधी होके चाय बनाऊंगी? कमीने, जा सबके लिए चाय बना, रसोई घर वहां पे।
This scene has a separate fan base. And I'm the biggest fan
Okay.
of that.
Again, this is not written. This is not
You
written.
heard? Like, आपके
Nothing
पैर
like that.
दाएं,
ऐसे
sir.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं.
Oh God, this is
ऐसे
not
नहीं.
written.
No, it was not written. This
Black,
is again.
black, हम black.
हाँ, वो तो वो भी बहुत मजा आता है वहाँ पे. Ajay is another one. Ajay's got a wicked
Sense of humor. Yes.
He's another one who's like that. So yes, so this we kind of started doing this bandits.
Let's improvise.
I was cracking up thinking, चल बर्फ है सब कुछ बर्फ पड़ने वाली. So yeah, it's great fun doing this nonsense. I love it.
Yeah,
I
and
love
obviously
it.
it's so fun to watch.
Yeah, this is all ऐसे ही हम वहीं पे बैठे रहते कि राइटर ने लिखा ऐसा करते और यहाँ हमने ये हरकतें की है.
Wow. I mean, अगर ऐसे films बन रहे हैं फिर डायलॉग राइटर बोलेगा हम जा रहे हैं pack up, bye.
मैंने कहा ना, when you have to have that open mind.
Yeah. The collaborative.
That is, yes, you must have an
Yeah.
open mind. And on set, and there are many directors who actually, I think, who end up making great films are the ones who don't
Know what they're doing.
No, it's like patthar ki lakini. I wrote it and so what happens is the writer writes it and a director directs it and executes it. But a director can also change it, mold it, and he's the captain of the ship. He can do anything.
Absolutely.
तो ये सब हरकतें वही हैं. ये जो
Yeah.
ऐसा करते, ये करते, वो करते, मजा आता है.
And Ajay Devgan doing comedy like
Oh,
you
yeah,
mentioned
yeah,
because
yeah.
he's a serious
He's
guy.
a
You know, his
serious guy.
eyes are like the death stare.
That's what I'm saying. So in this, what works is the dynamics of all 4 or 5 of us going crazy.
Yeah.
I told Tushar thought I was pulling his leg. When we started doing, and he was doing all this,
Yeah.
I told him, I said, Tushar, people are going to love you for this. So he thought,
And he thought you were lying.
Yeah, he thought I was pulling his leg. He got an award for that.
Yeah.
My favorite man.
उड़ा दे साले को.
खा लो तुम उड़ाओ.
क्यों
क्यों क्या खा लो तुम उड़ाओ ना.
तू क्यों नहीं उड़ाता?
अरे खा लो तुम क्यों नहीं उड़ा रहे हो.
क्योंकि मुझे इस हरामजादी से इश्क हो गया है.
ये सही है खा लो. तुम्हारा इश्क इश्क का और हमारा इश्क सेक्स.
Chemistry और जुगलबंदी का मिसाल है ये.
Yeah, Nasir Saab and me are very good friends. I love him immensely.
Yeah.
Insanely talented man and बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान है. I've enjoyed working with him. And Chobe is so
Right?
talented.
So talented.
So talented. When we started Ishqiya, I was so impressed with him. I'm still
Yeah.
so impressed with him.
Yeah.
He's so talented, that man. He has his own mind, and works it. This is one series जो मेरे लिए I felt Ishqiya was our Western. It
So
was.
true.
It is the only Western we
So
have.
True. Very true.
And unfortunately, we couldn't go further with it. This is one series that I really wanted to go further because it is so Indian, it is so deep rooted, it is so Indian, and it's so Western. It's so cool.
Yeah. Very.
It's so cool. It's such a nice thing. I wish somebody would try and reinvest in this and take
Revive
the whole
this franchise,
revive this
really.
or take this franchise further. Vidya, of course, another one I'm completely in love with. She's absolutely adorable, ferociously talented,
Yeah.
and insanely mad. Can't control her laugh. So yeah, lots of things. There are scenes in this and these moments
Yeah.
that
Like I love that he's a rogue, obviously,
yeah.
but that vulnerability
Oh.
that has come in, which is so endearing.
In part 2 there was another line which I loved insanely. When he spends the night with Huma, and he
Yeah.
comes back and he says के खालू मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं दे के आ रहा हूँ कि लेके आ रहा हूँ.
अब ये तो बोलना ये written नहीं था.
नहीं, ये लिखा हुआ, ये सारा लिखा हुआ.
Yeah.